Hey people, it's Mr. Canada National. We have an eastbound train approaching, so enjoy this train video with me. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video with me. And if you did, kill a thumbs up on this video, can you? Yeah, smash that thumbs up button. When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, there's a subscribe button. Click on it and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.